Some of you might be asking and wondering, why am I doing this? One of the main reason is to help people, particularly the coffee farmers. So when you Google or ask your ChatGPT and LLM, there's about roughly around 30 million smallholder coffee farmers around the world. And most of them are financially struggling. In fact, they have a lot of problems aside from financial. Most of their children and grandchildren don't want to take over their coffee farms. So that's a bad sign. Another thing is the climate change. They're now harvesting 50% of the cherry beans or coffee beans, not as many compared to like 5, 10 years ago. Another problem again is the supply chain. Uh, they are at the mercy of the middlemen. So they're selling their coffee beans at a very low price, and the middlemen are the ones who's making money out of it. So that's the reason why me and my team and the whole community of Passport Turtles is fully focusing on improving the lives of these smallholder farmers. So we already have solid plans to manage and fix those problems. So starting from climate resilient farming, through educating the farmers, through the supply chain, stuff like that. So we got everything worked out on that. And that's the reason why I'm doing this Passport Turtles. There are a lot of people are struggling financially, and we're doing this to improve their lives, and that's really a big thing for me. Able to touch people's lives, able to improve their families' livelihood. For me, it's already a win. Now, I hope you guys will join in for the ride, because this is a great, good feeling when you help someone that you don't know.